My name's Brett, we're in Glenaroua. We bought this property 4 years ago. It's 110 acres. Done a lot of work here. There was no sheds, little fencing, no power, tank water, dam water. So it's been a process. This house never had power. The closest is 2 k's east and 2 k's west. I did look into it. It was looking at 6 figures to get power here. So it wasn't really an option. Off-grid was our only option, so we went that direction. The process was really simple. They have options to give you what sort of power requirements you need. That was pretty simple. A lot of back and forthing, and it was really quite a simple process. Installing it was super simple. The guys came in, it was done in a day, or 2 days. They came in with a forklift that was already pre-made. They got on the roof, did the solar system, the panels. It was fantastic. Now that we've got power, daily life is a lot easier. We've got air conditioning in summer, we've got water for the pumps. It's great. They designed it that well that I've had the generator on. We've had the system for 12 months. Generator's been on for 17 hours in total. So the charge is in about 4 hours on a good day, and it runs great. If the sun's not shining, you've got batteries. Worst case scenario, the generator comes on. So it gets down to 20%, the generator will come back on, push it to 45, and hopefully by then you have sun. In their setup and customer service, they've been really good. Designing the system has been great. It's been absolutely spot on. For a generator to come on for 17 hours in 12 months, it's pretty impressive. Yeah, it's complete turnkey system from start to finish. They design, they organise installation. It's been really, really good.